So in our previous video, I gave you an exercise to do in which the floor of a room is a square of length 5 meters. Find its perimeter. So when we are dealing with questions like this, the solution for word problem is always to write the data down. So to decipher this question, we're having a room which is in the form of a square. So assume this is square. So this square is having a length of 5 meter. So if the room is having a length of 5 meter square, find its perimeter. So perimeter is equals to 2 bracket length plus length. Okay, so here the perimeter is nothing but 2 bracket 5 plus 5, which is equals to 2 by 10, which is nothing but 20 meters. Of course, don't forget to put meters here. So here we are just saying 5 because perimeter is the distance around the shape. So here it's 5 meter. So you can just add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Then you get 20 meters. Perimeter is the distance around the shape. Now we need to find the area. Okay, and in area, we just say area is equals to side square. Okay, or it is equals to length times length. So side square is nothing but 5 centimeter square, which give us 25 square centimeters. So this is the final answer for the area. Thank you guys for watching. I want you guys to solve the following question.